guys, what's up? My name is Brenda Michelle and welcome to my channel. Now, let's be honest, spending $6 a day at a coffee shop can add up fast, not to mention long lines, sugary drinks, and not a gram of protein in sight. So if you're tired of those coffee shop runs, meet Javvy Coffee. Javvy gives you the same kick without the hassle or the crash. And the best part, it tastes like real coffee. No weird ingredients, no stevia, and no chalky aftertaste. I have 4 different flavors here to choose from. My personal favorite is actually the original one, which I'm going to make one with you guys here today, but you guys can see right in front of me, I have the caramel flavor. I have the French vanilla. I have the original, which is the one that I was telling you guys is my personal favorite. And of course, the mocha. These are all so delicious. Let's make one together. Okay, we're all set up, ready to go. But before I get started, I wanted to share that you can also pick up your electric milk frother from Javvy Coffee as well. I had been needing one forever, and this one, not only is it really cute and aesthetic, you guys know me, I love an aesthetic milk frother, but it works so well. And honestly, if you have not used a milk frother before, it is a game changer when you make your coffees at home. First, you're going to take your handy dandy cup. This is my favorite to-go cup. You're going to add 8 ounces of water or milk. I like to drink mine with water, preferably. Then you're going to open up your preferred flavor of Javvy Coffee. So this one's mine, like I said, the original one. And you're going to pour 1 scoop into your cup. Of course, I need to mention that each scoop delivers 10 grams of premium whey protein. Of course, you can go for that double scoop and get 20 grams. That's 0 grams of sugar and a total of 70 calories. Crazy. But you can make your coffee at home, no hassle, by following the steps listed right behind the packaging. Steps 1, 2, and 3. Of course, I'm going to go add ice to mine, but you can top it off with creamer, flavoring, or any other toppings you'd like. Oh my gosh, if you pair the original with unsweetened almond milk, so good. So you guys can see that. There it is, so delicious. And the best part is you can try different flavors and choose your favorite.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams.
Okay, I did add some almond milk yet again, the unsweetened one. This is the caramel flavor. Wow. Good, definitely on the sweeter side. So if you're someone that enjoys a much sweeter coffee, this one's for you. Okay, now we're going to try the French vanilla. I'm excited for this one because I love anything French vanilla. So let's try it. Okay, less sweet than the caramel one, but still has like that kick of sweetness to it. But I definitely prefer this one over the caramel one just because I am not like that sweet type of person when it comes to my coffee. So this one is definitely a lot less sweeter than the caramel one. Okay, lastly, I already opened it. Oh, it smells like heaven. I love chocolate, so if you're a chocolate person, this one's going to be for you. So let's try it out. Same thing, your 1 scoop into your cup. Let's add ice, some unsweetened almond milk. Oh yeah, the chocolate one is definitely my second favorite. It's not too sweet. It's just exactly what you would expect it to taste like, chocolate, but with coffee. It's like a match made in heaven. It's honestly so good. I love this one. My personal favorites are the original and the chocolate, but there's a little bit of everything for everyone, so you can pick and choose your favorite, but they're honestly all a 10 out of 10.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on.
So ditch the daily coffee run and upgrade your morning routine. I've added a discount code down below so you can enjoy 20% off your first order and free shipping on orders over $50. Guys, like I said, my favorite is the original, but don't forget to try out all the other flavors, which are so delicious as well. I'm going to take my Javvy Coffee to go and get my day started. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys all in my next one. Thank you so much, Javvy Coffee, for sponsoring today's video. Bye, guys.